Introduction. 1. Overview of the Hidenburg. This report provides a comprehensive examination of Adani Group's business practices, with a focus on their impact on the environment, human rights, and finances. The video would provide an overview of the report's findings, including criticisms of Adani's environmental practices, allegations of labor exploitation, and concerns over the treatment of indigenous communities. Additionally, the video would also address Adani's response to the report and their efforts to address the criticisms raised. The purpose of the video is to provide an in-depth examination of the report and its findings, and to help raise awareness about Adani's business practices and the need for continued scrutiny. Purpose of the report. The purpose of the Hidenburg Report on Adani is to critically analyze and evaluate the business practices of Adani Group, a multinational conglomerate based in India. The report focuses on several key areas, including the impact of Adani's operations on the environment, the treatment of workers and indigenous communities, and the financial dealings of the company. The purpose of the report is to bring attention to potential issues and concerns surrounding Adani's business practices and to highlight the need for greater transparency and accountability. Through this report, the authors aim to provide a comprehensive examination of Adani's practices and to inform the public and stakeholders about the company's actions and impact. The report ultimately seeks to hold Adani accountable for its actions and to ensure that the company operates in a responsible and sustainable manner. Environmental concerns. Criticism of Adani's impact on the environment. The Hidenburg Report on Adani raises criticisms regarding the company's impact on the environment. Adani's operations, particularly its coal mining activities, are accused of having a negative effect on the environment and local ecosystems. The report highlights concerns such as deforestation, loss of biodiversity, and the emission of greenhouse gases, which contribute to climate change. Adani's practices are also criticized for damaging water sources and causing pollution, impacting the health and well-being of nearby communities. Additionally, the report raises concerns about Adani's lack of transparency and compliance with environmental regulations, as well as its inadequate reporting on its environmental impact. These criticisms highlight the need for Adani to adopt more sustainable practices and to be more accountable for the environmental consequences of its operations. Discussion of Adani's coal mining operations. The Hidenburg Report on Adani discusses the company's coal mining operations and the associated environmental impacts. Adani's coal mining activities are accused of causing deforestation, loss of biodiversity, and pollution of water sources. The report also highlights the emission of greenhouse gases, which contribute to climate change, as a result of the company's operations. The discussion of Adani's coal mining operations in the report raises concerns about the company's impact on the environment and the potential long-term consequences of its practices. The report's findings call for Adani to be more transparent about its environmental impact and to adopt more sustainable practices, in order to minimize the negative impact of its coal mining activities on the environment and local communities. Human rights issue. The Hidenburg Report on Adani also raises accusations of labor exploitation. The report claims that Adani's practices in relation to its workers and labor force are unethical and potentially in violation of labor laws and human rights standards. This includes accusations of low wages, poor working conditions, and the mistreatment of workers. The report highlights the need for Adani to improve its treatment of its workers and to ensure that its practices comply with labor laws and international human rights standards. The accusations of labor exploitation raise concerns about the company's social and ethical responsibilities, and call for greater accountability and transparency in Adani's labor practices. Financial issues. Criticism of Adani's financial practices. The Hidenburg Report on Adani also critiques the company's financial practices. The report claims that Adani's financial dealings are opaque and potentially problematic, with potential impacts on the company's stakeholders and the broader public. This includes accusations of tax evasion, inadequate reporting, and the use of financial practices that could harm the environment and local communities. The report's findings raise concerns about the financial stability of the company and the potential risks associated with investing in Adani. The report calls for greater transparency and accountability in Adani's financial practices, and for the company to adopt more sustainable and responsible financial practices that align with ethical and environmental standards. Examination of the company's debt levels. The Hidenburg Report on Adani also examines the company's debt levels, which refers to the amount of money owed by the company to its creditors. The report claims that Adani has a high level of debt, which raises concerns about the financial stability of the company and its ability to meet its financial obligations. The report's examination of Adani's debt levels highlights the potential risks associated with investing in the company, as well as the need for greater transparency and accountability in Adani's financial practices. The report calls for Adani to address its high debt levels and to implement more sustainable financial practices that mitigate potential risks and ensure long-term financial stability. Discussion of Adani's partnerships with government entities. The Hidenburg Report on Adani also discusses Adani's partnerships with government entities. Adani has a close relationship with several government entities and has received significant support from them for its operations and projects. The report claims that Adani's partnerships with government entities raise concerns about the potential for conflicts of interest and the impact on the public interest. The report highlights the need for greater transparency and accountability in Adani's partnerships with government entities, particularly in relation to the use of public resources and the allocation of government support. The report's discussion of Adani's partnerships with government entities raises questions about the company's responsibility to the public and its obligations to act in the public interest. The report calls for Adani to be more transparent about its partnerships with government entities and to ensure that these partnerships align with ethical and environmental standards. Counter-argument: Adani has responded to the criticisms raised in the Hidenburg Report. The company has defended its practices and actions, and has stated that it operates in accordance with relevant laws and regulations. Adani has also highlighted its commitment to sustainable development and to minimizing its impact on the environment and local communities. The company has also pointed out the positive contributions it has made to the economy, including the creation of jobs and the support of local businesses. Adani's response to the report highlights the company's stance on the criticisms raised and its efforts to address these concerns. However, the company's response may not fully address all of the concerns raised in the report, and some stakeholders may continue to call for greater transparency and accountability in Adani's practices. Important points of report. Environmental impacts. Adani's coal mining operations are accused of causing deforestation, loss of biodiversity, pollution of water sources, and emission of greenhouse gases, contributing to climate change. Labor exploitation. Accusations of low wages, poor working conditions, and mistreatment of workers have been raised. Financial practices. Accusations of tax evasion, inadequate reporting, and the use of financial practices that could harm the environment and local communities have been raised. Debt levels. Adani's high debt levels raise concerns about its financial stability and the potential risks associated with investing in the company. Partnerships with government entities. The close relationship between Adani and government entities raises concerns about conflicts of interest and the impact on the public interest. Final thoughts. The Hidenburg Report on Adani raises important questions about the company's business practices, particularly in relation to the environment, labor, finances, and partnerships with government entities. While Adani has defended its practices, the report highlights the need for greater transparency and accountability in the company's operations. The findings of the report suggest that Adani's practices have significant impacts on the environment, local communities, and workers, and raise concerns about the potential risks associated with investing in the company. Overall, the report calls for Adani to adopt more sustainable and responsible business practices that align with ethical and environmental standards. This includes greater transparency, accountability, and a commitment to minimizing harm to the environment and local communities. Importance of continued scrutiny of the company. Continued scrutiny of Adani's business practices is important for several reasons. Firstly, Adani is a large and influential company with significant impact on the environment and local communities, particularly in relation to its coal mining operations. It is important to ensure that the company operates in a responsible and sustainable manner that protects the environment and the rights of workers and local communities. Secondly, Adani has faced significant criticism and controversy in relation to its practices, and continued scrutiny is necessary to hold the company accountable for its actions and to ensure that it operates in the public interest. The findings of the Hidenburg Report on Adani, for example, highlight the need for greater transparency and accountability in the company's operations and the need for the company to adopt more sustainable and responsible business practices. Finally, continued scrutiny of Adani's business practices helps to promote transparency and accountability in the business world and to ensure that companies act in the public interest. This can help to build public trust in business and to promote sustainable and responsible business practices that benefit society as a whole.